Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to put oil in the North Star 2 horsepower 20 gallon vertical air compressor. So the instruction manual says you want the sight glass filled 3/4 of the way. You don't want any of the red dot to be shown. To fill it up, there's a cap right here on top. You need SAE 30 weight oil, compressor oil, non-detergent. That is what they recommend for the first time. And then after you've run it for, I believe, 100 hours or so, you can switch to synthetic weight oil or synthetic oil. So, alright. I am not going to be able to do this one-handed, so I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to pour some oil in, and then I'll show you what the sight glass should look like when it's at the proper level. Alright, we're back. So I have it filled up all the way in the sight glass, because in the instruction manual it said to fill it all the way up and then run it and it should go down. So we're going to put the cap on here. Make sure it's finger tight. I'll get some paper towels and clean that oil up in a little bit. So we'll pull it on out here. And I'm going to pause the video so I can get a wire snips and cut this, and then we'll plug it in and we'll see how it runs for the first time. Alright, we have it all plugged in. That's not good. I think we blew the breaker. So, we will be coming back and trying that again. Alright, I'm back. I have it plugged in. I unplugged a few things so we wouldn't trip the breaker. And so far it's working real nice. The oil level didn't go down, so if you need to release some, you open it up right here and let some oil out. Bottom of the tank was open. So that's how you fill it with oil and start it up for the first time. That's how you fill it up with oil, and that's what it sounds like when it's running.